Yo, what's up, dick fucks? Welcome back to episode 4 of Cluster Truck, but bad power-ups. It's episode 3. I'm sorry, I lied to you. But we are on word 4. Whoa! Anyway, I'm joined with these two dipshits, Audrey and Ollie. Sorry, Ollie, I didn't mean that, but I did mean that for Audrey.
Wow. How dare you? I do not tolerate Audrey abuse.
I do. Fuck. Shit. Poop. Cocksucker. Yes. First level done, and it only took 2 attempts.
Also, it's on.
Shit. The fuck is that?
So, like,
The fuck is that? Oh yeah. This is a video.
I was gonna say something, but I was like, oh, it's a video. That might not be the.
You think people actually watch this shit? I mean, I hope they do.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bruises on one leg. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes! Bro, let's go. I'm correct. Oh, I'm done. Bro,
That's kind of goofy.
the fuck happened? Oh shit. Okay. Nope. Wait. Yep. That won't work.
That used to happen to me all the
But
time.
what if? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's iron deficiency.
Came from
I'm pretty sure that's like iron or calcium deficiency.
hitting me, or did it come from just out of nowhere?
Wait, hold up. Go back a little bit. What were your 2 things that you thought it may have came from?
Either someone like hitting me, or just like out of nowhere.
Okay, I hate the bruises that are like up here. I'm like, the fuck?
Yeah, it's like, bro, where did I even get this from?
Also, I've realized that out of most people, okay, out of us 3, I'm the most likely to seem like I survived the shark attack. Like I have like cuts and like I have like scars all over my hands. Like when I say all over, I mean all over my hands. Like when I say all over, I mean all.
My hands look funky. I don't have scars all over my hands, but they look goofy. And
Hey,
I have
language, Ollie.
one spot where it's noticeable that I got stitches, and you can still tell, even though it was back in like 2nd grade. You can still
Shit,
tell
fuck,
exactly where each
tick
and
cock.
every single little stitch was.
Even the one that I made.
Slay.
Slay what you wanna slay. Let the slaves be slain. Honest slay. I want to slay you again. Yes. Take that bitch. Sorry, I wasn't talking to y'all. I was talking to Cluster Truck.
No, I see how it is.
Me, I should've.
Yeah, I see how it is.
Wait, who? Give 2 shits. Oh!
Oh, you got us there.
Starts crying. The goofy thing is when they don't actually see your face and you just.
And I just go.
And it's like, anyways.
Anyway, cat.
Anyway.
Okay, when I grow up, I'm gonna get a Scandinavian cat, and I'm gonna name the Scandinavian cat Bebo. Then I'm gonna get an English short hair, and name him something like George, or like something like a real pish posh, like a British name. And I really hope that like the British cat is. I really hope that Bebo is like the untamed one, and for lack of a better name, British is just like an asshole.
Ollie, look at this guy.
Like Bebo is just like really cuddly, then British is just an asshole, like a complete asshole.
Oh, you see that?
Yeah, I do see the backpack?
I don't. But also I'm not looking, so. My mommy got home. My mommy finally came home from leaving us. Us being me and my sisters. We were very sad while she was gone. Oh shit. Okay,
I was the one that didn't come home until later. I didn't get to go home until like almost 7.
Oh.
Which is earlier than I thought I would get to leave. Because I thought I'd have to stay for the other class period show.
Why?
But I didn't.
Oh, you have to do that. It's the other class periods. I said, why would you do that? It's the other class periods. Oh, fuck.
What? No,
Shit, cocksucker.
body.
Okay, dude. I'm pretty. Oh, wait, no, that's. Oh, yeah. No, actually, it's Thursday. But luckily, it's Mr. Dewey, so for some reason, tests are incredibly easy.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Like, I hate him, but his tests.
Honestly, his tests are super easy. Barely an inconvenience.
Oh no, it's so goofy.
Your mom is so goofy.
You're so goofy.
Can you feel the? Oh shit, cocksucker. Ah, fuck. I'm pretty sure that last year I like began the early stages of having schizophrenia, or at least split personality disorder.
Yeah, Christian, we're not real. We have schizophrenia.
No, I say that because I gave Christina her own personality, named her, and started naming the other voices, and started using them in my head in conversations.
Is that not normal?
I started naming the voices, giving them like more than just like first dimensional personalities, like giving them actual characters.
No, but is that not normal?
Sadly, no. It's normal to use like voices in conversations, but like not just regular voices, like talking like this, giggity gig, giggity giggity. I don't know why I was about to say giggity giggity goo.
Oh my god, oh, look what I found.
Yoda, I am. Join the dark side, you must. Join the dark side, you must. Join the dark side. Join the dark side. Yoda, I am. Join the dark side, you must.
I can't draw for the life of me.
No. I found a few common threads between people who like people who are LGBT. Generally they like anime. They're good at drawing. They either have really short hair or really long hair. And are almost always really good at drawing. Again, these are just stereotypes I picked up on. Oh crap! Poopy,
Yeah,
poopcock.
Christian, don't stereotype.
Me, shut up.
Don't stereotype, bro. It's not very nice.
Murder's family.
How dare you?
Becomes Jeffrey Dahmer. Oh shit. Okay, how come? Okay, I saw a Twitter post that was okay. How can we keep giving serial killers such kick-ass names? Like if we start naming them the Poopy Pants Killer, they'll probably stop killing. Like no one wants to be called the Poopy Pants Killer. No, people want to be called shit like Jack the Ripper. I mean, like, how kick-ass is that?
It's
Or the Zodiac Killer. I mean,
22.
like there's a serial killer who kills like 500 people. The Poopy Pants Killer is still on the loose.
Poopy Pants 1 is still on the run.
Or just like make all of them like rhyme, but like really dumb rhymes. So like, oh crap, I can't think. Christian, Tyler the Cancer is still Tyler the Cancer is still on the run. It technically does rhyme. It doesn't sound right, but it does rhyme. Tyler Cancer. I'm clever. Actually, I'm not. I'm sorry I lied to you. I didn't mean it. Ollie, how dare you? Okay, so in programming, me and Preston each have our own like sprites that we use on everything. Preston, like, so the first game that we made, there was like it was called like Cat and Mouse, and Preston has used that mouse on every single sprite. Everything is that mouse. Oh wait, that was the last level. Oh, I guess we'll just go until we die. Anyway, dick fucks. That was the end of the video. Like and subscribe right now, or Ollie. Am I seriously about to beat this? Ollie, what am I gonna do to them? Oh no, I died.
What are you gonna do to them?
Audrey, come up with some horrible shit for me to do to the glorious viewers at home if they don't like and subscribe as of right now. Alright, I'll just come up with something. So do you see that hammer? I'm gonna grab it and swing it on your pee-pee, then make your pee-pee turn into a vagina. And vice versa for the girls. Anyway, like and subscribe right now if you don't want that to happen. Peace.